Good morning ka-friendship! At today's video ay magluluto tayo ng arroz valenciana. Okay, so sit back and relax and please enjoy watching this video until the end. Hello everyone, this is Toto Mira. Sana samahan ninyo ako sa bawat pagluluto ko sa aking munting kusina. Here are the ingredients. Mayroon tayo ditong dalawang pirasong Chinese chorizo, 1 cup shrimp, cleaned and deveined na siya. Mayroon tayo ditong 1 cup pork liver. Mayroon tayong 200 grams pork. And meron tayo ditong 2 cups na glutinous rice. Hinugasan ko na siya at binabad sa 1 kutsarang turmeric powder. 6 cloves garlic, 1 piece onion, 1 piece tomato, 2 pieces bell pepper. Meron tayo ditong raisins, 2 pieces calamansi, 1 cup na frozen green peas, and of course we will be using cooking oil, and then salt and pepper. Okay ka-friendship, let's do the rock and roll. Okay friendship, what we're going to do first is sa ating preheated pot, maglalagay tayo ng konting cooking oil. And then, igigisa natin yung ating garlic. And then after that, dagdag natin ang ating onion. So, ang ating sibuyas. And then, yung ating kamatis. Dagdag na rin natin yung ating pork. Igigisa na lang muna natin sa gentle friendship hanggang mag-golden brown yung ating pork or mag-render siya ng sarili ng pot. Ayan ka-friendship, haluto na yung pork natin. Nag-render na siya ng sarili niyang fats. What we're going to do next is tagdag natin yung ating pork liver. At saka yung ating chorizo bilbao o yung ating Chinese chorizo. Dagdag na rin natin yung ating shrimp. Ayan, what we're going to do next ka-friendship is magdagdag tayo ng konting tubig just to make sure na maluluto yung mga ingredients natin. So, ayan, kunti lang, mga 1/2 cup lang siya ka-friendship. So, hayaan na lang muna natin sa dyan. Balikan natin siya until maluto yung mga ingredients natin. Yung ating shrimp, saka yung ating pork liver, at saka yung ating Chinese chorizo. Okay ka-friendship, luto na yung ating Chinese chorizo, saka yung ating liver, at saka shrimp. Na rin yung ating pork. What we're going to do next is idagdag natin yung ating glutinous rice. na binabad sa turmeric powder. Ano yun siya? Init siya ka-French chef. Make sure to mix it very well. Ang sekreto dito ka French chef, i-measure nyo yung glutinous rice nyo. Like for example, mine, I have 2 cups glutinous rice. So, idagdagan ko siya ng 2 cups na boiling water. Mas maganda talaga pag boiling water yung dinagdag ninyo sa inyong arroz valenciana. So, ito yung cup na pinag-measurean ko sa glutinous rice. So, ganito din kadami yung water na idadagdag ko. So, ayan. Mainit siya ka-French. Mix natin ulit. Ayan. So, hayaan na lang muna natin siya dyan ka-French chef. Hanggang maluto yung glutinous rice natin. Sa very low heat lang. Sa very low fire lang ka-French chef. At this point ka-French chef, pwede na natin idagdag yung ating frozen green peas. Ayan. At saka yung ating raisins. Idagdag na rin natin. At saka yung ating bell pepper. Mix it very well. And hayaan na lang muna natin sa dyan ka-French chef hanggang totally na maluto yung ating malagkit na bigas o yung ating sticky rice. Okay, so let's go back later. By the way ka-French chef, nalagyan ko na pala siya ng salt and pepper. Okay ka-French chef, luto na yung ating arroz valenciana. What we're going to do next is mag-squeeze tayo ng 2 calamansi to enhance the flavor of our arroz valenciana. So, ayan ka-French chef, ready for serving na siya. Luto na yung ating arroz valenciana. Okay? Chef, ito na po yung ating finished product, yung ating arroz valenciana. Okay, by the way ka-French chef, nakalimutan kong i-include kanina sa ating ingredients, yung hard-boiled egg. Anyway, ito na siya. Iga-garnish lang natin ng hard-boiled egg, yung ating arroz valenciana. So, ayan na po siya ka-French chef. Okay. Okay ka-French chef, sana nagustuhan ninyo ang dish natin sa araw na ito. Kindly hit that like and share button. And to those who are new to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button and kindly include the notification bell. And every single comment is highly appreciated. Once again, this is Tutu Mira at your service. Always remember that behind the dark clouds, there is always silver lining. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. See you on my next video. God bless us all. Bye-bye!